Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera Pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the Pro. These are the auto settings. We can do it by tapping on this button with the A letter, and as you can see here we have access to the manual. So let's pick it, and this is our Pro mode here. This mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. The first one button here is the focusing, so here we can change the autofocus to the manual focus, and we can adjust it by using this slider. So as you can see, this is how it works here. And let's move to the next one button. By tapping on this we get access to another slider. This is the white balance, so here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. As you can see, by going to the left we can make our picture just more cold, and by going to the right we can make it more warm. So this is how it works. Also on this slider we have these icons that suggest us the best white balance to the light we have. So the first one here is the tungsten light, then white fluorescent light, daylight, and the cloudy light. So this is how it works here. And now let's go to the next one button. This is the shutter speed, so here we can change the time of taking picture, and we can make it just from shorter or longer, from 1/6,000 of seconds, which is very short, to the 16 seconds of taking picture, which is very long. So this is really pretty wide spectrum here, and I suggest you to making experiments with it and just have a good fun. And now let's move to the next one button. This is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can pick from 100 of ISO to 3 and 2000 of it, so this is also pretty wide spectrum here. And let's go to the next one button. This is the exposure compensation, so by using this slider we can make our picture just more bright or more dark by going to the left. So this also controls the light of our picture here, and this is how it works. And now let's go to the last one button here. By tapping on this we get access to all of these sliders at the same time. So this is really cool here, and this is the thing I like the most in the Motorola's camera, because this is extremely useful. So we can adjust all of these settings at the same time. So this is how it works. And when we turn on all of these settings manually, sometimes we want to start again from the beginning, so we can easily go back to the auto settings by using this button here from the left. When we tap on this, all of this goes back to the auto settings, so this is really cool here. And now let's move to this settings bar here. Most of the settings are also in the standard photo mode, but one button here is extra one. By tapping on this we can change the format of our picture, and we can pick JPEG, RAW format, all, or RAW and JPEG at the same time. So this is really cool here. The RAW format is really pro. The professional photographers use this to taking better pictures with better quality, with more details, and post-producing them in the graphic programs after taking them. So this is really cool here. And that's all. This is how the Pro mode works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.